Tarrant County College South, Fort Worth ISD Collegiate High School, a Pathways in Technology Early College High School, Fort Worth's first and only Ptech. What is a Pathways in Technology Early College High School? Ptech includes Early College High School environment, the ECHS model, allowing students to graduate with 60-plus hours of transferable college credit, an opportunity to earn a 2-year associate's degree and your high school diploma at the same time, tuition-free. We're a small industry-focused personalized community that provides a rigorous college preparatory curriculum, engaging students in high-skilled and high-demand career experiences while still in high school. We have industry and college partners, a layered academic program success model, an early college high school environment, plus so much more. Students, while at TCC South Collegiate High School Ptech, will receive certifications, industry credentials, their high school diploma, all while working towards their associate's degree. During this time that they are with us for 4 years, they'll be receiving work-based learning at every grade level, the opportunity to enhance their industry skills, job shadowing opportunities with our partners, and the possibility of paid and unpaid internships with our partners. When students graduate from TCC South Collegiate High School, not only are they college and career ready, but they have the opportunity for more scholarships as well as interviews with our partners. Our Energy Technology Ptech School has 4 pathways. Our pathways are renewable resources, electrical technology, electrical lineman, and energy business related coursework. Students can work towards 2 different associate's degrees, the Associate of Arts with a Business Level 1 or Level 2 certification, as well as an Associate of Applied Science in Electrical Technology and Renewable Energy. Depending on which pathway they choose will determine what certifications the students can receive. Our college and career readiness certifications include, for all students, the OSHA General Industry 10-hour, CPR and First Aid, Microsoft Office Expert in Excel and Word, and Microsoft Office Specialist in PowerPoint. Once a student chooses their pathway, they can choose certifications including Water Operator, Wastewater Collections, Renewable Energy Certification of Completion, and in that pathway they can choose from Energy Technician or Renewable Energy Technology, and our Electrical Line Worker Certification of Completion, where they can work towards Ground Technician or Line Technician. Fort Worth ISD Collegiate High School has 3 industry partners: Fort Worth Water Department, Microsoft, and Encore. We partner with Tarrant County College South, and we're located right on their campus. Students can choose from a number of different opportunities and careers if they attend our school. Let's look and see where you might fit in.
My love for chemistry started really young. I really wanted to know how things work. That's when I realized I had to find out. I found a medical book and I learned about chemistry, about the anatomy, and it really shaped subsequently the rest of my life because I really had an interest about how things work and how chemistry affects our lives. I've been working with the district for 22 years. I've been working in the research in optimizing the treatment plants. So I have firsthand of how the different chemicals and how the different processes play a role in improving the water quality.
Tastes like water.
There's about 200,000 samples per year that are sent to the laboratory that demonstrate to me that the water quality is sufficient and meets drinking water standards. The field of water is growing tremendously. Climate change is really affecting and stressing a lot of governments, not just in the United States, but all over the world. So we need to counteract and mitigate the effects of climate change by looking at protecting the water, replacing infrastructure, protecting infrastructure, and ultimately creating the habitat that can be sustainable beyond climate change. Recycled water is something that's continuously available every year. It's going to be requiring hydrogeologists. It's going to require chemical engineers, civil engineers. Even within civil engineers, you have water resource and environmental engineers to look at the impacts of that. It's going to require mathematicians to come up with different theories to understand climate change. There are a lot of internships from different municipalities that attract and cultivate not just chemistry, but math, engineering, computer science. All these disciplines are related to water.
Now let's take a look at how Microsoft certifications can help you in solidifying a career.
Students going to college or thinking about their first career have a lot of different resources available to them. They have to stand out compared to the pack, and a great way to do that is through industry certifications.
This is my first year in the Microsoft Office class. It was just a fun class that looked like it could help me heavily on my resume and in life. Not a lot of my friends took the class, so I wanted to be different and I wanted to have these skills that maybe they didn't have.
Certification allows them to prove their technical skills. It will really enhance their resume, job applications, and scholarships as they move into their post-secondary goals.
Every business setting that I've been in, every student organization that I've worked with while I was at the university have all used Microsoft products in some capacity. And just having knowledge about each product makes it that much easier to communicate with people.
Everything's going to be revolved around technology eventually, and so just knowing these simple skills that Microsoft has to offer will really improve your knowledge of whatever job force you may go into.
Microsoft Imagine Academy offers full curriculum that support Microsoft certification exams. Students can work with their educators to study either independently or with teacher-led instruction.
I've had friends who've taken this class. They are so proud of themselves, and it motivates me to work harder too, because they seem to be successful people now.
I actually can see the value in all of the experience and knowledge that I got from Microsoft certifications in terms of my own personal finances, me going into the accounting world and using Excel every single day.
Students who are certified end up earning more long term, they get promoted faster, they stay in their positions longer, and they are executing their projects more effectively.
After high school, I think I would definitely pursue other Microsoft certifications because Microsoft is always gaining new certifications, and I think it's important to keep updated on your skills.
I have this knowledge that people want, and I have the skill set now to go out there and communicate it to people. I really have set myself up for the future.
Another opportunity is working with our partner at Encore.
You need to be where you're changing the rules of innovation and technology, where there's never a dull moment, where what you do every day helps power one of the world's largest economies and is critical to the lives of more than 10 million Texans. You need to be where there is no such thing as a typical day, because each day brings new challenges and new opportunities. You thrive on innovation and leverage new technologies to bridge the divide between impossible and possible, between no way and every day. At Encore, your skills can make a difference in the lives of everyday people. Become a leader. Take a role in changing the energy industry for the better. Come join our team and be a part of the Encore family. We take pride in serving communities and powering growth and opportunity across the Lone Star State. Technology is changing the energy industry, and with it, Encore is building a safer, smarter, more reliable grid, one that will power the future for millions of people. Encore is a place where tapping your leadership potential is only the beginning, and where you will have the tools and experience to take your career to the next level. And where we know there's more to life than just working behind a desk. Come work with a team who appreciates making a difference in the community, and who are building the grid of tomorrow today. That's why, at Encore, there's never a dull moment. Come find out for yourself.
At TCC South Collegiate High School, you can accomplish this and so much more. Where do you fit in? Please contact the school if you have any questions. We know that energy and water are a business of the future and will never go away. We look forward to serving you and your student at Tarrant County College South, Fort Worth ISD Collegiate High School, the very first Ptech school in Fort Worth ISD.